What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Currency Counts, where I cover all things money, from how to save money, make more money, side hustles, and everything in between. Now in today's video, I'm going to cover two credit products from the same bank. The first one is a credit card with a limit of up to $50,000. Now let's be real, with a credit limit of up to $50,000, you're going to need a pretty nice credit score. But hold on, the second product we're going to cover is a quick loan with no credit check at all. Let's get right into it. These two credit products come from a bank called Unify Financial Credit Union. The first thing I want to point out is that you're going to need to be a member of the bank before you can get approved for any loan. All you need is your social, an ID, and to link a bank account or credit card. So let's check out the first product here, which is Unify Engage Rewards, which is this card right here. So you have the Engage Rewards and the Visa Platinum, both of them with credit limits of up to $50,000. You will have all these features with the cards down here. I won't go through all of them, but there is also other credit cards that this bank offers. This one right here, the Visa Gold, you have a credit line of up to $15,000 or $14,900, and your Visa Classic with a credit limit of up to $5,000. So when you apply for this card, they will make a hard pull on your credit report, and you do have a variable APR of 9.49 to 17.99. There is no annual fee, and you do get 5,000 bonus points instantly. So the product I really wanted to talk about was a quick loan. But this product, this credit card with a limit of up to $50,000 really caught my eye because there aren't many cards with a credit limit of up to $50,000. So if you have a good credit score, this is worth applying for. And if you do apply and get approved, let me know how much you got approved for in the comment section. Let's go to the quick loan here. So you will get approved for this quick loan as long as you're a member of the credit union. What's nice about this loan is that there's 0% interest. The only downside is that you have to pay it back within 6 weeks. There's a $20 non-refundable fee, and the amount you can get approved for is anywhere from $300 to $500. A good feature of this loan is that you have 30 days after funding to make your first payment. Once you're a member, you can apply online or by phone, and all you're gonna need to qualify is income verification, which is more than likely gonna be your last 4 check stubs. This loan isn't designed for anything else but emergency money. But this is 100 times better than taking out a payday loan because you get 0 interest. Payday loans are gonna charge you crazy interest, and they're gonna keep you on the hook for years on end, and you'll never pay it off. An example of a $500 loan with 0% interest, you would pay back $83.35 per week for 6 weeks. This bank also has a credit builder product, and this will help you reestablish credit, and you can apply for a loan from $200 up to $1,000. Now this also requires a $20 non-refundable application fee. This credit builder product does have interest. You're gonna have a 28% interest, and you can pay it back in 6 monthly payments. This bank is worth taking a look at for sure because they offer a ton of different credit products along with your typical checking and savings. They have products like home loans, vehicle loans, and other personal loans along with your credit cards. You can definitely get on the right path to your financial future. So click the link in the description to find out more. So I want to thank you for watching. Check you on the next one.